In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case your Sony WH-CH520 are not pairing, in case you have connections issues with them. So the first thing I always suggest is to do a factory reset once you have any errors with these devices. To do a factory reset, first, make sure they are completely turned off. So I'll press the power button until I turn them off. Then make sure to check over here, power button and minus button. Keep both of these buttons pressed, like so. And after 10 seconds, the blue light over there will blink 4 times, signifying they have been factory resetted. So I just have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, perfect. I can release these buttons and now I can start fresh. They're currently turned off. Turn them on by keeping press the power button during 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're gonna notice the blue light is blinking quickly. Go ahead, take your iPhone, Android, or whatever computer you have, go into the Bluetooth settings, and you'll be able to pair them fresh, and hopefully this will fix your problem. Another thing that I suggest, in case this didn't solve your problem, is to update them. Sometimes there's software issues and Sony is able to fix them through updates. So how do you do this? Well, once you have connected them to a phone, you need to download the Sony app. So in the Play Store or in the App Store, search for the Sony Sound Connect app. Open the app and make sure you select agree. Okay, and if you go over here on the main page, you should get a label. On an iPhone, the label, I think it's orange or red, I don't remember, but it's a different color. It says that the latest audio device software is available. By tapping over here, you'll be able to update them, and fortunately, the connection problem will get solved. If you're still experiencing problems, I suggest you take your phone where it's not able to connect, you go into the Bluetooth settings of that phone, and you delete these headphones. So over here I have a cogwheel on the Android, and I'll select unpair. On an iPhone, it's forget this device. Delete it completely and then restart your device, your phone, by going over here, power off, and then power back on your phone and connect it back to the headphone. Sometimes the problem is not the headphones, it's the actual phone. If you have any other solutions, or if one of these worked for you, leave a comment down below. I want to know. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.